Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Aristotle from Billie Bust Up. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off at the top and let's draw a sideways oval for the shape of the head. Next, let's move inside and let's draw the face. We'll start with 2 circles for the eyes. Now inside, let's add another circle. And then inside these, let's draw another one on the top right. Now on the left side of the circle, let's draw a curve. And then let's color the top left section in black. Next for the eyes, let's hop on top and let's draw a curve for the eyebrows. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's move underneath and draw the mouth. Let's start underneath in the center and let's draw a curve across. Then from both sides, let's dip it down slightly and then curve it up. Next, let's hop underneath and let's draw a curve across to close off the bottom of the mouth. And lastly, let's hop inside and add the teeth. Let's start on the top left corner and let's bring it down and then curve it in. And the same on the right. And then a small line down underneath. And that's it for the mouth. Now let's hop out and draw the gills. Let's start on the top left of the head and let's draw an S-shaped curve up and bring it out. And the same on the top right. Now for the end, let's curve it back in. Now let's draw 3 bumps down on both sides to close it off. And that's it for the first set. Now let's draw another one going outwards. Let's move underneath and let's draw a curve out and bring it back in. And the same on the right side. And then 2 bumps underneath, all the way back in. Now let's draw the third and final set underneath. For this one, let's curve it down and bring it back up. And the same on the right. And again, 2 bumps to close it off. And that's it for the head. Now let's move back in and draw the body. Let's start under the head and let's draw 2 lines down for the neck. Now let's hop into the center and let's draw an oval. And then another one inside. Now from the top of the oval, let's curve it up to the head on the left and on the right. Then another set of curves coming out from the center. And then curves at the bottom from both sides to close it off. Next, let's move underneath and let's add the arms. From the bottom corners, let's draw an angled line down and out on both sides. And then let's hop underneath and let's draw a line out. Now at the ends, let's add the hands. Let's start at the top and let's draw a curve up and bring it back down on both sides for the thumbs. Then let's curve it down and in for the next finger. Then another one. And then one more, curving it back up to close off the hands. And that's it for the arms and hands. Now let's move back in and draw the body. From the bottom of the arms, let's draw a curve down on both sides. Then let's curve it out slightly and bring it down for the legs. Next, let's hop inside, and in the center, let's draw a curve across. And then curve it down from both ends, making it a little bit longer than the outside. Now let's hop out to the outside line and let's curve it out and down. And then close off the bottom of each foot with a curve across. And lastly, inside each foot, let's add 2 curves for the toes. Now that we're done the shape of the body, now let's add the cape. Let's start back up at the top underneath the neck. Let's draw a curve down and then bring it up to the top of the arm. And the same on the right. Now let's hop down under the arm and let's continue that line by curving it down and back into the leg. And the same on the right. And that's it for the cape. Now let's move down and draw the tail. Let's start on the bottom left near the cape here and let's draw an S-shaped curve down and out. Then from the end, let's curve it back into the foot. Now let's continue it on the other side of the leg and let's curve it upwards. Next, let's hop inside, and at the end, let's draw a curve up. And then another curve along the bottom. And continue it up in between the legs as well. And that's it for Aristotle. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!